Good day, second year students. In today's class, I am going to start with another essay related to your syllabus titled as Of Myself by Abraham Cooley. But before I take up essay in detail, let me briefly introduce you to the author and his present essay Of Myself. 17th century poet and essayist Abraham Cooley was born in the year 1618 in London to a wealthy stationer. He got his education from Westminster School and Trinity College at Cambridge. And from the very young age, he developed a keen interest in reading. He read Spenser and Horace works. Gifted with good imagination and writing skills, he published his first collection of poems, Poetical Blossoms, at the age of 15, imitating the writing style of Spenser and other Elizabethan poets. Later in his life, being a royalist, he got to face problems during the Civil War. He was deprived of his scholarship at Cambridge and then he made his way to Oxford. After that, he followed the Queen Maria to Paris and spent 12 years of his life in exile serving English court. With the restoration of Charles II to the throne, Cooley returned to England, regained his scholarship and spent rest of his life studying botany and writing essays. He was also one of the first to be nominated for membership in the Royal Society. He passed away in 1667. Now, if we discuss him as a writer, he was one of the prolific writers of the 17th century. As I have already mentioned above, he displayed his early talent as a poet, publishing his first collection of poetry, Poetical Blossoms, only at the age of 15. To mention few of his major works besides Poetical Blossoms, he wrote a play, The Guardian, in 1642 while he was at Cambridge. The Mistress, a collection of love poems, in 1647, and it is his most famous work that he wrote during his exile in France. Poems in 1656 and another revised collection of poems including his Pindaric Odes and an unfinished biblical epic. As an essayist, he contributed a great deal in the development of essays in English, especially the familiar style of writing. Familiar style of writing is characterized by naturalness and simplicity of expression, which we do see in Cooley's writing. If we talk about his essay, Of Myself, it is exact opposite of the previous essay Of Friendship by Bacon that we discussed in earlier videos, especially in the manner of style and presentation. As Bacon's essay was a general observation on friendship with a detached and impersonal point of view, Cooley's essay is highly personal and comparatively simple. Language is simple and easy to understand. In this essay, he talks about his life journey right from the time when he was a young boy. He has talked in detail his personal beliefs, his natural inclinations, his expectations, and aspirations from life. In short, he has clicked a picture of his personality by writing this essay. We get to know the persona of the writer, and that's why this essay is titled as Of Myself. Alright, this much for the introduction of the author and the essay. I'll take up I'll take up the text of the essay in detail in the next class. Thank you.